Proverbs 27. In Tokpisin version or in Papua New Guinea language, on Proverbs 27. Strip laman, I walk about lumpasin holy, belong en. All pikinini belong en, ikisim blessing behind, long em. On Proverbs 27. And in Tagalog version, Kawikaan 27. Ang ganap na tao na lumalakad sa kanyang pagtatapat, mapapalad ang kanyang mga anak na susunod sa kanya. Kawikaan 27. Salamat po sa Diyos. Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 102. Oh my God, did you Bible Verse of the Day? Proverbs 20 verse 7. In King James Version, the just man walketh in his integrity, his children are blessed after him. Proverbs 20 verse 7. Thanks be to God po.
You